Oh, sweet road. Abba people, it is time for enjoyment. Yeah. It is time for enjoyment. Yeah. You people should get set to enjoy this present government. You people should get set. Yeah. It is time to enjoy. Yeah. It is time for enjoyment. Yeah. Abba people get ready to enjoy. Yeah. People get ready to enjoy yourself. Oh, enjoyment. Come on now, so say enjoyment we go see for this government. If you believe, you believe. If you no believe. Alright, my people, my people. This is where we dey call Jubilee Road. As they play, they show, we dey play. As I'm telling you, this is not an audio government. Read my lips if you can see it. This is not an audio government. The government is working now. See road now. This is Jubilee Road, the so-called Jubilee Road that they say cannot be metaquartalized. What did I say? It cannot be metaquartalized. But Alex Otti and his company has done justice to this road. As you can see, my brother, my sister, I am walking with my two legs on top of the third road. Hey, feel me, feel me, feel me now, feel me now, feel me now. I feel like rapping, but no worry. You can see the beauty of the road. God, tell me something. Tell me say good thing no good. Even the devil likes good things, man. No. Even the devil likes good things. See it from this side, bro. Come on. Omo, they say give it a try, give it a try. We have given it a try, and what we are saying right here is a thing of joy. Our people will say it's a thing of our. Oh God of mercy. 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 Oh Jesus. See road now. Alex say to the walk, no be say they talk from out. Hi. This man they give me joy. This man they give me joy. This man they give me joy. Leno, I God. Hi God, I feel like crying. These people they give me joy now. See joy, see joy, see lane, see lane. I feel like navigating. Alright, my good people of Abia, we are here once more. This is the city of Abia, as we all know. This place is popularly known as Old Express Road, which is close or linking to the famous Abia International Market. This road has been giving us some sort of headache, but as you can see, the Lord is helping us. The Governor Alex Otti, has done justice to this particular road. So we are here to ask some few residents what joy they have derived from the construction of this road. Just stay tuned. But before that, let's look at some of the few features of the road. As you can see, we have some street lights. These are solar street lights that comes up immediately. It is 7 p.m. on the dot. The solar light comes on. So even if you don't have headlamps, you can equally access the road using the solar. But that does not mean you should not get a headlamp. So stay tuned. I'm going to talk to a few of the residents so that they can share with me the joy that are in their hearts connecting to this particular construction of this road. Stay tuned. God bless you. All right, good afternoon, sir. Yes. Sir, may we know your name, sir?
My name is Vincent Gospel.
Your name is Vincent Gospel. Wow, that's a lovely name, sir. Okay, sir, we are just trying to know the situation of this road for the past few years now. From the information I gathered, I heard that this road was nothing to write home about. So I know you're a resident of this area, and so I want to know what this place was like.
Okay, like let me say, in the past 1 year, the road was not kind of motorable for the motorists, like people that use the road, the cyclists, the tricycle users. So it kind of made them to go through long distances in order to reach their destination. But you can find out that during the ending of that year, that is last year, the governor of Abia State kind of made the road more motorable for them so that they can make the usage very easy for them. So you can see that by this, the government has done a good work to the roads.
Okay, when we are talking about the new government, we are talking about Alex Otti, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's beautiful. I believe this road is a major link road to the famous Abia International Market, right?
Yes, and that made it more easy for the people who do go to markets by bike. That made it for them because most of the bike men, they didn't like to follow the road because they damaged some of the parts in their tricycles. So that made it more easier for them to ply the road to various places around that area side.
So that's beautiful. But you as a person, being a resident over this side, going to work for the past 2-3 years when this road has not been constructed to this length, how did you see the road then? How did you feel?
I was kind of bad because at times if I enter a tricycle now, they will not tell me that they won't reach my destination because of the bad road. So I would have no option than to trek to the place I'm going to.
So you have to trek the remaining part of the
yes, and then by
journey.
trekking to them, it kind of delay my time, which is I may reach to where I'm going to very late, which hinders the stuff I do there.
Child. Wow. So after the construction, it has been a happy ending for
yeah,
sale.
Because I do at times I take bikes, take kekes. Now it does not make them. It do not make it easier for me that I can just reach even before the time, not behind the time.
Wow. That's definitely good. Thank you, Sir Gospel, for your time. We really appreciate it. Thank you very much, sir. We'll stay in touch. All right, my people, we are looking for the next person we are going to interview this afternoon. Let's see that young lady over there. Please, I would like to ask you some few questions. Okay. Thank you very much. What's your name, ma?
Rejoice.
Wow, Rejoice. That's a beautiful name. This one you are blushing. All right, Rejoice. I believe you're a resident of this area.
Yes.
I saw you coming up from that angle. I believe you are living maybe close by or something like that. Okay, no wahala. Okay, Rejoice, I want to ask you about this newly constructed road. This is Old Express, right?
Yes, it is.
I believe this road is linking to the famous Abia International Market, right? Oh, right. Okay, Rejoice, I wanted to ask, what was it like before now? Like before this road has not been constructed, what was it like?
Oh, the road have been very, very bad, especially for us that is staying here.
Okay.
And also for people, for marketers like me, and I'm a Momo canvasser.
Wow.
You understand? The road have been very bad. But after they repair the road, we can set up our pen to activate customers.
Wow. Okay, you're a Momo canvasser. That's an MTN canvasser. Wow, that's beautiful. So the new road construction has helped your sales. Definitely. Yeah, definitely. That's the good one. That's the beautiful one. Okay, that's nice. Thank you for your time. Thank you for allowing us to interview this afternoon.